Hi guys, so this is Christmas charm update. So I made some new charms for this Christmas recently. First, I've made this Christmas present. This Christmas socks. Some of this candy cane. This, I don't know what it's called, but usually hangs on doors. This snow girl. This gingerbread man. The Santa hat. This is for my friend. Her initial name is C. I made this love. This is like love cookies. And at last, the Sterling Kuma wearing a Santa hat. So that's my Christmas charm update. I hope you like it, and bye guys.